Top tips for your open day. Imogen is at Hyde Park Book Club.
One of my top tips for your open day is to come in with an open mind, to experience everything and to have a look around everywhere.
The screen shows the University of Leeds campus.
Try and envision yourself living your life here, as you may be doing so very soon.
Megan is at Leeds Student Radio.
Go with a completely open mind, whether it's to do with your course, accommodation or societies.
Screen shows the University of Leeds campus.
University is the perfect place to try something new.
Connor is overlooking the Great Hall.
Speak to as many events ambassadors as possible, as these are the students that have actually lived here for a few years and worked here. This will give you a proper insight into what student life is like at Leeds, and you'll be able to decide if it's something for you.
Caitlin is at the Edge Gym.
Think about what you're passionate about and what really matters most to you, and then go and explore it, because ultimately open day is your day.
Katie is on West Campus in the School of Law.
Make sure you go to your school again, have a look round and see if you can really visualise yourself spending time there.
Harriet is stood outside the Great Hall.
Don't be afraid to ask questions. This is your opportunity to find out as much information as possible about university life.
Footage of the University of Leeds campus. Isaac is in a green space on campus.
Look around the union and find out how you can engage in your passions or even find new ones. There really is something here for everyone. I found my place in our theatre society. Find yours at the Leeds Open Days. One day can change your life.
Find out more at www.leeds.ac.uk/opendays.